Good morning, students. Open your Oxford Modern English Book 2. It is our English A class, and we are going to have the reading of Unit 6 Rumpelstiltskin. Rumpelstiltskin. Okay, here we have some words to know. Be in trouble, be in difficulty or face a problem. Greed, a strong wish to get more and more. Lalach, miller, a person who owns or works in a mill, a place where grain is made into flour. By grain we mean wheat. Reel, a round object shaped like a wheel on which thread is rolled. You can say a block kind of thing. Shame, something disappointing. Sharminda. Spin, to make thread by spinning a wheel, to roll something. So this story is related to a beautiful but poor girl. Let's start reading. Once there was a miller. He had a beautiful daughter. One day the king came riding by. So the king of that kingdom was riding on a horse. Here he is the king. So the miller was poor. He wanted to marry his girl with that king. So what do you do? He asked. The king asked to that miller, I am a miller, sir. Then he lied. My daughter spins straws into gold. He wanted to take the attention of the king towards his daughter, so that's why he lied to the king. Really? Said the king. I'll test her in the palace tomorrow. If she can't, she will be in trouble. So the king took that girl to his palace. The next day, the king showed the girl to a room full of straw and a spinning wheel. Those things are straws, and their uh, uh, um, their oh my god, what am I doing here? She is the girl, and those things you can call straws. This one is the spinning wheel. Now look at the story. The next day the king showed the girl to a room full of straw and a spinning wheel. Start, said the king, I'll be back in the morning. Page number 55. The king left. The miller's daughter sat and cried. Just then a little man ran inside. Why are you crying? He asked. I can't spin this into gold, cried the girl. What will you give me if I do it? Asked the man. My necklace, sobbed the girl. So the girl was crying because she couldn't turn those straws into gold. So that's why she was crying. So there suddenly a little man appeared, and he asked her to help, but on return he was asked her to give him something. So the girl gave him her necklace. Next page, page number 56. The little man took the necklace and started working. By morning, the reels were full of gold. The king was pleased, but he was greedy. He took the girl to a longer room. He told her to spin the straw and left. She sat and cried. The little man came again. This time he took her ring. Okay. Then she was sent by the king to another room bigger than the first one, and the king again asked her to make some more gold from those straws. So the little man again appeared and helped that girl, but on return he asked her for her ring. Okay. The king saw the gold in the morning and his eyes twinkled with greed. He took the girl to a hall full of straw. Spin, said the king, and left. The little man came again, but the girl had nothing to give. Give me your first child when you become queen, said the man. The poor girl agreed. Okay, third time, the girl had nothing to give to that little man, so she promised him that she will give him his her first child, whether uh, she is a girl or suppose a boy, whether a girl or a boy, she will do what? She will give give her child to that little man. She promised that after becoming the queen. In the morning there was gold. Weeks later she became the queen. So that thing was repeated by the little man. Each day the king had more and more gold. Later on, she married that girl because the king was greedy, so he married that girl. A year later, she had a child, and then the little man returned. Okay, after a year, the girl had a baby, a child. So the little man came again and asked that girl to give him her child. Oh, please, sir, sobbed the queen. I am rich. Take anything, not my child. If you find out my name in 3 days, said the man, keep your child. When he came the next day, she sang out names. The little man asked that girl to tell him about his name, and then he will not take his child, otherwise, he will take his child. So the girl was practicing some names. So she started singing those names. First one was Abby, Bartholomew, Caspian, Drew. No, he screamed, all wrong. The little man said that no, all those names are wrong. None of them belongs to that little man. The next day, she tried again and the man shouted no. That evening, a messenger came and said, I heard a little man singing this song. Oh, what a shame! Oh, what a shame! She doesn't know Rumpelstiltskin's my name. The next morning, the happy queen told the little man, Rumpelstiltskin, practice it. It is a tongue twister. He stamped his feet in anger. A deep hole appeared under him and he disappeared forever. That little man was not actually a man. He had some powers, so that why when the girl called his real name, he disappeared forever. And the girl got rid of all that trouble. So here it is the end of the story. Hope so you people have enjoyed it. Have a good day. Thank you, students.